Hi, I'm Erin Welsh, and I am the catering director here at Lycoming College, and I have my assistant, Dan.
Hi, I'm Chef Dan from Parkhurst Dining.
And today we'll be making one of my favorite recipes, pumpkin bread pudding. So Dan, if you can help me mix,
Absolutely.
I'll hand the ingredients over to you. Okay, so we're gonna use a nice big mixing bowl, and we're gonna start with our brown sugar and our fresh canned pumpkin. Now you can't use the Libby's pumpkin pie filling though. It has some additives in it, so you just want straight pumpkin. Okay, now we'll add some more wet ingredients. 3 whole eggs.
Break these yolks and give them a little whip before they go in.
We're attempting to do a nice homogeneous mixture, so it's nice if you can beat those eggs beforehand. Okay, next we have some vanilla extract. And then of course cinnamon always pairs well with pumpkin.
Sorry about that.
Okay, next we're going to add our whole milk. And I'm just going to add a little bit at a time, that we don't make too much of a mess. And as you can see, that mixture is really coming together well. And I wish you could smell this. It smells really nice with the pumpkin and cinnamon.
Very fall.
Very fall.
Very homecoming. I think we're ready to go.
Okay, so our recipe includes a springform pan, but sometimes these can be intimidating. A springform pan opens up, so you can easily release your cake afterwards. But today, I think we're just gonna use a regular cake pan. And we're just gonna spray it. And you wanna make sure you use baking spray. Sometimes it's nice to get the baking spray that includes flour in the recipe. Okay, next we're gonna go back to the bread. So we have 6 cups of bread cubes, and I like to just use white. Okay, so we're folding. Now the trick to a really good bread pudding is to let this sit for a good 10 minutes, because then all that good pumpkin will absorb into the bread. The next step is to take your spoon and to just scoop it into the pan.
Perfect. And smooth the top and try to get it so it's nice and even.
My favorite thing to add to the top are raisins. You can also add your favorite walnuts or pecans. And it just adds a really nice color.
And some good texture too.
Okay, so you pop this in the oven, which should have been preheated to 350 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes. Okay, so let's plate our finished bread pudding. It turned out really nice caramelization. And another trick to know when your bread pudding is done is if you insert a knife in the very middle and take it out, and it comes out completely clean. Okay, so let's do a plate design. That looks amazing, doesn't it, Dan?
Looks great. Let me take that for you.
Okay, one of my favorite things to do is to take a fork and kind of push that bread pudding off to the side. And we're going to take a dredger of cinnamon. And if you dredge over the top, if you carefully lift that fork, you get an amazing design. No one will know how you did it. Okay, and then let's add some color with some fresh whipped cream. And there is our pumpkin bread pudding.